What's going on, guys? Today we're going to be going over how to install the new Billetworkz Titanium stud conversion. This stud conversion will take any car running a bolt lug in either 14 by 125 or 14 by 15 to a stud. Our studs have the bottom to match into the hub here, and then the top half will be a 14 by 15 to fit our Billetworkz Titanium lug or the lugs you may already have. So for this install, you just need a couple tools. We're gonna need a torque wrench to torque these to 25 foot-pounds, some blue thread locker, and a 6mm Allen socket. So to get started, first thing we gotta do is put thread locker on the studs itself. And I just do these one stud at a time. So we'll go ahead and start with this one here. Then with the Loctite, you go ahead and I just like to apply a strip. Then we can go ahead and thread this in to the hub. We're gonna just keep going until it stops by hand. And then we're gonna repeat that process of applying the Loctite and threading them in by hand until all 5 are in. Then we'll go ahead and get a buddy in the car, step on the brake, so we go ahead and torque these down. All right, so we got a torque wrench here set to 25 pounds. We got our buddy in the car holding the brake, and I'll torque these in just a normal star pattern like you would on any other wheel. And all right, last one's torqued down, so that does it. Now you can go ahead and toss your wheel on, toss your lug nuts on, torque everything down, and that'll complete the install. If you guys have any questions about the Billetworkz Titanium stud conversions, please reach out to us at info@billetworkz.com. And like always, be sure to shop billetworkz.com for other accessories and parts for your car. Thanks, we'll see you next time.